new test mode self-diagnostic system has been developed as standard for the Servo 3000 Series 3 and is available for upgrade on Series 2 machines. The test mode automates troubleshooting and tests all major components, displaying the results as well as providing key visual test results. This is by far the quickest way to determine if there is a problem with the Servo 3000 or the problem is with the press or material. To test the Servo 3000, use a strip of material with one register mark and tape it to the in-feed cylinder. Unweb the Servo 3000 as the system settings in test mode are changed to provide easy visual references between the sensor light and register mark. Position the register mark so the leading edge just touches the sensor light. After each successful test, the register mark will return to the same position. The encoder may be turned by hand. The advantages are it is easy to see the flashing clear LED with each revolution of the encoder to compare the register mark position to the encoder position, and the press does not have to be running. Test mode performs a series of 6 tests covering all functions of in-feed mode and re-register mode. If a fault occurs, it will be displayed on the keypad. The problem is identified and can now be resolved. As test mode performs its test, the display will show what test is being performed and the number of revolutions remaining in each test. Once a test is complete, the next test will be initialized. During each initialization, the register mark will return to its original position. In-feed mode tests the ratio, speed, and position between the in-feed cylinder and encoder. If there is an error, it will be displayed on the keypad, but can be seen by looking at the register mark. This is a demonstration of an in-feed mode test. The in-feed cylinder will run 10% slower than the encoder. The new position of the register mark can be seen on each encoder revolution. After 10 revolutions, the register mark will have reached its original position. Re-register mode tests registration accuracy and changing registration positions. If there is an error, it will be displayed on the keypad, but can be seen by looking at the register mark. This is a demonstration of a re-register mode test. The register mark automatically moved 1/4 inch from its original position. This movement can be measured to test accuracy. In the next sequence, the register mark will advance back to its original position. After test mode has run through its series of 6 tests, the display will read successful, a sign the Servo 3000 is fully operational. At any point along the way, you had a visual reference to verify this too. If there were a problem, it would have been displayed on the keypad, making the problem easily identified and easily resolved. The Servo 3000 test mode truly makes troubleshoot automation simple.